Welcome back. This is White Noise Online number 3.
Oh, yeah!
Let's see if we can get Big Booty to join us.
Whoa! You going? You going? You going? You going? Keep her going. Right there.
Oh, going into the back cave? Going into the back cave?
Welcome, hey YouTube, welcome back to episode 3 of White Noise Online with me, Idiot Meerkat, and Fox Brigader. Take 2.
Episode 3, take 2.
Yeah, cut.
You had to just turn off your Xbox.
I didn't turn it off. I ran into the wall, cut my knee open, and it shut my power off. It's not my fault.
Okay, are you guys ready?
Yes!
We are going to the church.
Started already.
Okay, I'll turn off the music. Oh, one second. Wait, talk, off. Okay, guys, that's all for my 1D, guys. Awesome. Now, 3, 2. Camera,
Wait.
Action. Damn it. I already said cameras, light, action.
I'm gonna cry.
Okay, let's make tape recorders. It's got all these cool ass people.
I only need 3 more for my character.
How many do we need? Did you look up?
Wait for Captain Rex, guys.
Where are you? Right there.
I need 8 more. Come on.
Wait, who am I? Who am I?
You're some blonde guy.
Yeah.
Dude, you're...
guys, I just saw E.T. fly in the sky on a bicycle and then disappeared behind a tree. Oh god. I literally saw something.
Shit just got real.
Looked like a flippin' thing traveling on a bike across the...
Stop spinning in circles.
Guys, I'm at the station center. Where the people said...
Decapitation? A guillotine?
Like, they lay them down and then they'll drop
Yeah,
them
guillotine.
and it'll chop off their head. Yeah, come to me.
Alright, after we get this. Fox, which way are we going? I'm following you.
I don't know. I've been a big...
There's a pickle underneath the flippin' thing. Hey, God, that's me, and I have a flippin' pickle next to me.
Fox,
Ow!
which way do we go?
Oh,
Follow Fox.
we're going.
He
Fox,
teleported
walk
right on
faster.
top of me. I see you guys' like,
Where's your bird weapon? God.
dot. He teleported on top of me.
Oh, God. There's like 2 of them.
What? There's 2 of them.
How the fuck?
Oh, he's a ghost.
God,
Don't put your ectoplasm on our
So, the
face.
decapitation center, turn around.
No.
This
Nope.
way, false thinking. Decapitation.
Nope. Stop obeying your master.
I know.
No, there is flipping a pickle underneath the thing.
That's toxic.
A black pickle.
Where's my dead body? Oh, it's to the right. It's the decapitation center. Oh,
I heard the music on your screen. Oh god, don't look behind you, Fox.
Okay, I'm going toward the decapitation.
okay. Who shall we sacrifice?
I say we...
Oh god, Fox is right behind us.
Oh, God.
Just go this way. Just go this way. Just go this way. Don't.
Just play act normal. Act normal. Can I see tape recorders?
Yeah, you...
It's gone. It's not behind us anymore.
God damn it.
You have to remove your...
Bridge.
Wait, let's have the ghost be in front of us because he can actually see. Walk over the bridge.
The water will let you. Let's go.
Dude, what's up with all your ectoplasm?
I'm fine.
Fox, where you at?
I'll skip the big guys. Oh, look! Hands! There's hands sticking out of the ground! Right there! There's two hands sticking out of the ground! That's up to the tree.
Oh, magical hand, please guide us.
Oh, guys!
Oh, magical hand of masturbation.
The hand.
Can't go around whatever.
Oh, a face! I found the face!
Yeah.
Oh, I got that rock. Oh, wait, no,
Dude,
that's the face.
Fox, is he still behind me?
Guys,
Oh,
I found the guy's
Fox,
face.
Fox, should I sacrifice myself for the good of the team?
No. Right there.
Right there.
Going straight to it.
Where do we go? Fox, where you at?
Over here.
Fox.
Yeah, over
Oh God! Fox, don't turn around. Go somewhere. Run somewhere. Oh God!
Don't walk over the
Fox,
You got
Fox,
me, don't
Fox,
worry.
Fox,
I
come
get
find
it.
me. Fox, come find me. Fox, come find me. Come find
You
me.
gotta flip and rock. We're next to you, don't worry.
Oh God, where are you? Oh God.
Oh,
Let's go.
Which way? Left or right? Left or right? Left or right?
Hey, don't turn around.
Oh yes, don't.
Where you at, Fox?
No, I meant.
Fox?
Oh God.
Oh, dude, walking here all the way in the smoke.
Sacrifice! Oh God!
That was so cool yet stupid.
I hate those.
He's stoned. He's stoned.
Yeah, I know. Oh God.
I sacrificed myself for the good of the team.
Austin, split up.
How was it? What?
I'll go with Fox.
I'll stick with Anthony. You go find some other tape recorders, and I'll lead him to you.
This little light of mine, I'ma let it shine.
Holy, that is so cool. This thing. Oh,
There's a bunch of
Austin,
like
get the,
square dicks coming out of the ground.
Austin, get over here.
I don't know where you guys are at.
Yeah, how's he gonna?
There's like
Oh my gosh.
there,
this is so cool.
there's no HUD
Okay,
above
look
you
at all their
guys.
backs. Look at all their backs, so we can
The-
Can you hear what?
What was this like a dinosaur face? Hey, what's that light over there?
No, we had the monsters. Oh, dude, there's something sparkling. Dude, the thing's sparkling.
What is that? It went away.
That's a pickle?
Yeah, I don't see you cleaning your
Oh
bowl.
God.
I already cleaned it.
No, it's dirty as shit.
It's not dirty. This is clean.
That's a water ring. Get away from that.
I don't know.
Just
I'm
face
in the corner. I'm trapped. No to go.
I see a
over
glowing
here.
light.
I hear one. It's on the other side of this wall.
I see a glowing light. Go into the light. Go into the light.
We gotta go down this giant wall. There's a tape recorder on the other side. Unless it's somewhere laying on the grass.
Go into the light.
Did he spawn on you?
Dude, I had no idea where he was. I was walking.
Ooh, go into the light. So, hey, look, a black pickle.
Tape recorders found 011. Distance walk 787.
Okay, what? How did they even get here? Is my question.
What are they doing? I'll be right back.
What the? Oh God.
I'm gone.
What? What? What?
Ah!
What? Was, how about
We literally walked one giant circle. ahead of you and let you guys for the next day. Captain is behind us. Hey, he just stopped while we walked there.
It's still awful stuff.
Oh my god, that is that Austin just runs off. Almost died.
That's where it's all. Then we have to collect fire.
Take your head back.
I think that's all we have.
That's where I died. Yeah, look where I was at.
No, I need water. Dang, what about? Damn it, Bobby.
Alright, thanks for watching episode number 3, guys.